Hello, let's see how to draw a perpendicular to a line through a point on it. At first, we draw a line segment AB. And take a point P on it. Now we draw an arc from P point. So place the pointer at point P and we draw an arc with a convenient radius. The arc intersects AB line segment at C point. Now from C point, we draw another arc without changing the radius. The arc cuts the first arc at a point, and from this point, we draw another arc with the same radius. Which also cuts the first arc at a point. And from these two cutting points, we draw two arcs on the same side of the first arc. So taking same radius, we draw two arcs on the same side of the first arc. And the two arcs intersect at Q point. Now we join P and Q. So PQ is perpendicular to AB through a point P on it. Thank you.